Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover CSS background property. We will see how we could set background color, background image in an HTML element. In Sublime Text Editor, first we will create a new HTML file. We will click on file, then new file. To save the file, we will click on file, save, file name background.html. In the HTML file, we will type less than symbol then HTML, and on suggestion display, we will press enter key in the keyboard. This will generate the boilerplate code of an HTML file, title CSS background. To open the file in the browser, we will go to the location where we have saved the HTML file. We will right click in the HTML file, then open with Google Chrome. You could select any other browser also. We have created a div element, and in the head section created a style tag, and inside the style tag we are creating a class selector. We are using the class selector in the div element class attribute. For setting background color, we are using CSS property background color and value pink. On refreshing the page, we could see the background color in the div. Now we will see how we could set background image in an HTML element. We have few images in the same folder where we have the HTML file. To set background image in an HTML element, we need to use the CSS property background image, and in the value we need to write URL, then opening and closing bracket, and inside it we need to give the path of the background image. On refreshing the page, we could see the background image in the div. If the div width is bigger than the width of the image, then by default the background image will repeat. So that the background image do not repeat, we need to use the CSS property background repeat and value no repeat. To specify the size of the background image, we could use the CSS property background size, and in the value we are using cover. By using CSS property background position, we could set the starting position of the background image. We are using CSS property background position and using two values separated by white space. The first value means horizontal position and the second value means vertical position where the image will start. Now we have changed the first value to right, that means the image will start horizontally right. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.